Today we're going to be making easy Biscoff and Nutella dream bars.
And I test the recipes of the internet so you don't have to.
Crush up Lotus biscuits, then set aside 2 tablespoons and mix the rest with melted butter.
You already know we can't afford a food processor on this channel, so get out your beating stick and beat that biscuit up. Save 2 tablespoons for later, and you're going to add 60 grams of melted
Press
butter.
it into a tin and refrigerate for now.
I don't even have the right size tin. You can see that I added a lunchbox and hid it underneath some baking paper to make it the right size. Ghetto tin.
Next, whisk together cream cheese and icing sugar.
Cream cheese and icing sugar. I think I overbeat this because I just didn't really know how far I should take it.
Then transfer half into another bowl. Add Nutella to this bowl and whisk until combined.
Okay, so half our mixture, and we're going to do Nutella for the first one.
Then add Biscoff spread to the other bowl and whisk it in.
Okay, Biscoff for the second bowl. And you're going to make a big mess. Make sure you get some on the camera. Cameraman, camera stand. He was not happy, by the way. He was Biscoff.
Scoop the Nutella cheesecake onto the base and smooth it out. Then scoop on the Biscoff cheesecake and smooth this out.
Okay, so Nutella layer first. And by the way, the original poster makes this look really easy. It's not easy. This took me a long time and it didn't look great at this point. There goes the Biscoff layer on top of that.
Whisk double cream to soft peaks, then scoop it into the tin and smooth it out.
Okay, now we're going to beat some cream to soft peaks. Man, my Anko mixer has never seen this much action, bro. Actually, nor have I. Anyway, we're going to layer the top with the cream, and then we're going to use those 2 tablespoons of leftover beat up biscuit to decorate the top. And then you're supposed to let it refrigerate for at least 3 hours to kind of let it set. But here is the thing. At the 3-hour mark, it tastes pretty good. But next day, bro, is when the flavors have fully kicked in, and it is a dream bar. Anyway, if you like this, make sure you follow for more so we can test more internet recipes. Okay, love you, bye.